Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Thank you for having me. My name is Indah Setiawati from Jenderal Sudirman University. I'm corresponding author in this presentation and the first author is Mr. Jimmy Kusnaman. I would like to present our research. The title is Price Volatility Analysis of Red Chili Peppers in Kebumen, in the third International Conference on Sustainable Agriculture for Rural Development. Red chili production increases from year to year, and Central Java is the third largest chili producer after East Java and West Java. Red chili is one of the 7 national staples goods that have been established by Ministry of Commerce of Indonesia. The problem of prices on chili commodities is still happening in Indonesia. There are fluctuations in chili prices within a certain period and also disparities in chili prices between regions. Kebumen Regency is the highest poor population than the surrounding area such as Wonosobo, Banjarnegara, and Banyumas. There are several commodities that dominantly contributed to inflation in Kebumen: rice, sugar, meat, chili, shallot, garlic, eggs, etc. Based on Table 1 and Figure 2, we show that red chili are staple goods that have the highest price gap and fluctuating in Kebumen. Volatility is a measure of the statistical change in a securities price in a certain period, so that volatility literally means unstable, a condition where data moves up and down, sometimes in an extreme way. One of the main applications of volatility modeling is that it is used to measure risk, so that the analysis of the volatility of chili prices is very important. Based on the empirical gap, this study will analyze the price volatility of red chili in Kebumen, so that it can be provide recommendation to local government in formulating policy to overcome this volatility problem. This is our method in our research. The data used is secondary data in the form of time series data on weekly prices of red cayenne chili and curly red chili at the consumer level for the period January 2019 to December 2021. The weekly price data comes from the Commodity Price and Production Information System in Central Java Province Trade Office. The analysis of price volatility of chili was completed using ArcGIS model with the help of eViews 10 software. The stage of volatility analysis using ArcGIS model are as follows. The first, time series data were analyzed using a unit root test to see if there was stationary data at the level or at the first difference level. Then determine the best ARIMA model, then test the arch effect. If there is an arch effect, then the best ArcGIS model is determined and the volatility value will be obtained. Research and discussion. The first research is stationary test. The result of the stationary test show that the price data for chili peppers, all chili peppers are stationary in first difference. So, the stationary data after the transformation shows that the average model in this study is the ARIMA model. ARIMA model identification. Selection the best ARIMA model is based on several criteria. There are 3 models of red cayenne pepper and 3 model ARIMA for curly red chili. And the best model of red cayenne pepper ARIMA Ordo 213, and the base model ARIMA for curly red chili is 011. Here is the evidence for the analysis result from the IFUS. The smallest value of AIC and SC and the highest R square are the best model for ARIMA. And the next is to test the effect of arch in the model. The arch effect is obtained by looking at F statistic value, which is greater than the probability value. Both chili peppers show an arch effect so that they can move on to determining the arch-Gauge model. Arch-Gauge model was chosen from model analysis by comparing the AICST and R-square value in the significant model. Namely, the probability value is below 5%. So that the best model for cayenne pepper and curly red chili is arch with ordo 10. Here is the evidence for analysis result from IFUS analysis arch-Gauge model. Okay, this is the last analysis, the volatility value. The volatility of chili prices can be seen in the two pictures, volatility of cayenne pepper and volatility of curly red chili. Volatility calculation to find out which amount fluctuates the most. Red cayenne pepper and curly red chili has fluctuated with a tendency to increase or be high and stable. High fluctuations are located at the beginning, middle, and end of the year. The factors that cause fluctuation in this month, including the new year at the beginning of the month, the holy month of Ramadan, and Idul Fitri in the middle of the month, and Christmas at the end of the year. This model also shows that chili price movements are only influenced by the amount of volatility on previous day, but are not affected by price variance. This means that if the price of chili the day before has a relatively large residual value, then tomorrow's price level will tend to be large. The chili price variance model on arch tribe with a coefficient value. The conclusion for this research, the best model to calculate the price volatility of red cayenne pepper and curly red chili at the consumer level is arch with ordo 1. The result of the estimation of volatility through this model indicate that the price volatility of red cayenne pepper and curly red chili at the consumer level is low, and price movements are only influenced by the amount of volatility on the previous day, not influenced by price variance. The low price fluctuations of red cayenne pepper and curly red chili indicate that the time characteristic of demand and supply are predictable. The tendency of price changes to occur gradually and can be predicted because it is seasonal. Suggestion for the further research are about price risk analysis and price forecasting so that the government can be determine the right policy in price stabilization. And this is the reference. And so, thank you. That's all about our research. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.